Hi, I'm Travis from Ferntech, and today we're out here testing the new T70P. As you'll see over here, looks a bit different to the T100. They've gone back to more of the T50 blueprint. You can also notice that we've moved away from the octo motors and it's gone for the quads. You also see here we've got the teetering propellers. This makes the drone absurdly quiet, it's a good thing. And very nimble drone. We've got the standard arm locks. We've got our spotlight at the bottom, our digital camera, just like the T100. Obviously no gimbal, front radar, and our vision sensors. RTK modules on the front, and then of course our 70-litre spray tank. ESCs mounted on the top, and yeah, what we've done with this our demo unit is we have installed the quad mist nozzles. This is obviously something we don't advise unless you are flying orchards. If you're flying, if you're trying to kill some brush or broom, you definitely don't want to use the mist nozzles due to wind drift. We've just put it on just for showing purposes. But yeah, let's rip into it and see how we do. Awesome, well I hope you enjoyed that. We did about 2.1 hectares there. What we're going to do now, we've got a little bit of a run down the way, about 350 meters, and we're going to spray a bit of gorse, put it in action, do a bit of terrain following over there. Yeah, let's go. Cool, so that's all from us today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I must say it definitely lives up to its name, the efficiency expert. Plenty of battery left over. You're going to get a bit more out of your loads, which is great. And yeah, it flies amazing, very quiet. If you want more information, get in touch with us. If you want some pricing, same story, get in touch with us. Thanks for joining.